Right now, inside your phone, your laptop, your computer, something is quietly working. You can't see it, you don't think about it, but it's holding your entire digital life. Your photos, your videos, your memories, everything. And the crazy part? It's all stored on a spinning disk. Today, I'm going to show you how that actually works. A hard drive is simple, at least on the surface. Its job is just to store data. But inside that small metal box, there's a tiny machine doing something incredibly precise. When you open it up, the first thing you see is a shiny disk. Sometimes one, sometimes several. These disks spin really fast, thousands of times every minute. And on that spinning surface, your entire data is written. Not as images, not as videos, but as tiny signals called ones and zeros. That's it. Everything you've ever saved is just a pattern of these ones and zeros. Now here's where it gets interesting. There's a small arm inside the drive. It moves back and forth extremely fast. At the end of that arm, there's a tiny head. This head is responsible for reading and writing your data. But here's the surprising part. It never touches the disk, not even once. It floats just above it, so close that even a tiny dust particle could destroy everything. That's why hard drives are sealed tight. Now imagine you save a file. Maybe it's a photo. Your computer sends a signal, "Save this." The hard drive takes that file, breaks it into small pieces, and starts writing it onto the disk. The arm moves into position, waits for the exact moment, and then starts writing. It changes tiny magnetic points on the disk. One direction means 1, the other means 0. And just like that, your photo is stored. Now later, you want to open that photo. So what happens? The hard drive needs to find it. But there are millions of possible locations. So how does it know? It uses a system, like a map. Whenever a file is saved, the drive remembers where it put it. So when you open it, it goes straight to that exact spot. No guessing, no searching everywhere, just direct access. But over time, things change. Files don't always stay in one place. They get split up, scattered across the disk. Now, when you open a file, the arm has to move again and again, jumping from one place to another. That takes time. And slowly, your system starts feeling slower. Not because it's broken, but because everything is messy inside. Now you might wonder why not use something faster. And that's exactly what SSDs do. They don't spin. They don't move. Everything is instant. But they're expensive. Hard drives are still cheaper. And when you need to store huge amounts of data, hard drives are still the best option. Here's something most people don't realize. When you delete a file, it's not actually gone. The drive just removes its location. The data is still there, hidden, until something else replaces it. That's why recovery tools can bring back deleted files. Now think about this. Every time you click something, this entire process happens. The disk spins, the arm moves, the data is found and sent back to your screen, all in a fraction of a second. So fast, you never even notice it. A tiny machine working silently, moving at incredible speed, just to show you a photo or play a video. We use it every day. We trust it with everything. And most of the time, we never think about it. Until one day, it stops. And when it does, you realize just how important it was. So, next time you hear that soft hum from your computer, just remember, there's a whole world inside, working perfectly, just for you.